or whose. They sound the same, but they are used in different ways. Whose, spelled like this, is the short form for who is, oder wer ist, and whose, spelled like that, shows possession. An easy way to remember which one to use is to quickly think, does it make sense if I use who is? If yes, we want this whose, and if no, stick with this whose. Let's see some examples.
Who's at the door? Whose hat is laying on the table? Who's hungry? Whose cat is hungry? We know who's to blame. They have no idea whose keys these are. Let's look at some new examples and test your skills. We'll give you about 10 seconds to read each prompt and try to pick the correct whose. Whose phone is ringing? Who's coming to the concert with us? Whose idea was it to go hiking? Whose book is this? Who's responsible for this mess? Whose turn is it to do the dishes?
So, how did you do? If this was tricky, tune into our YouTube channel and subscribe for more helpful hints. We'll see you next time.